Assalamu alaikum. How to apply for local Hajj registration in 2024? Saudi Arabia has launched packages and the procedure for local Hajj registration through the Nusuk application for 2024. Requirements for Hajj: Number 1. Valid Iqama or Saudi National Card. Number 2. The pilgrim must be free from chronic diseases. Number 3. Eligible to perform Hajj as per Upshur. Number 4. Nusuk application. Local Hajj packages for 2024. The Saudi government has introduced the following 4 packages for local Hajj registration in 2024. Package number 1, it cost 10,366 riyals. The second package cost 8,093 riyals. The third package cost 13,150 riyals, and the fourth package cost 4,099 riyals. Although package 4 is the cheapest, it does not offer accommodation and food in Mina, which will make your Hajj even harder. I would suggest you select at least package 2. Local Hajj registration 2024. The local Hajj registration started on February 11, 2024. At this stage, priority would be given to those Iqama holders who have never performed Hajj. Step number 1. Download Nusuk. Download the application Nusuk. Enter your Iqama number and the password you have set for Upshur. Number 2. Hajj reservations. To start process of local Hajj registration in Saudi Arabia, open the Nusuk application. Click on the reservation button. Review the Hajj packages and press the skip button. Agree to the terms and conditions. Step number 3. Select Hajj agent. Select the applicant. Add Mahram companions if you want to perform Hajj with someone else. Click on the select package button. Select the departure city. Select the package category. Do not select Hajj operator at this point. Transportation method: bus. Now the Nusuk application will offer different Hajj operators to select from. Review them and select the Hajj package. Click on the select button. Click on the select package button. Step 4. Add bank details. At this stage, for local Hajj registration for 2024, you can select a Hajj agent from the type of package you desire. Enter your IVN account details, payment method, partial payment. Click on acknowledge and confirm. Nusuk application will issue a Sadat bill number to make the payment. Step 5. Make the payment. At this point, you need to pay the local Hajj fee to confirm the booking. The following are terms of the payment: 20% within 72 hours of the booking, 40% before 31st March 2024, and 40% before 30 April 2024. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on our other social media platforms.